Welcome. Today in front of me XIAOMI Redmi Note 8 2021, and I'll show you how to test fingerprint scanner and how this fingerprint is reliable on this device. So now just we'll lock our device to see how we can do that. And here on the back side of our device we got the fingerprint scanner. I just activated a couple of minutes ago my fingerprint to the scanner, and now we'll see how fast this fingerprint scanner is. I just will simply touch the scanner with my finger and just will see all the results. So I'll make it by 5 or 6 times to see all the results, and as can you see, I'm just smoothly tap on that by this way, and as can you see, this fingerprint scanner is really good work. And this is a new device, but I'm sure that after the half of year we will use, this will not change. But always be sure that this fingerprint scanner is clear as like your fingers, and you'll really fast unlock your device with this scanner. So that's how it looks, and if you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe our channel.